Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we have something truly special of the 2025 Austin Mini. This isn't just a car, it's a symbol of timeless design, reimagined for the modern world. Whether you're a fan of classic British engineering or just looking for an efficient, stylish city car, this new Mini is turning heads for all the right reasons. So, let's dive in and see what makes this car so exciting. Background heritage. Now, before we get into the details of the 2025 model, let's take a moment to appreciate the legacy of the Austin Mini. Born in 1959, the original Mini was designed to be an affordable, fuel-efficient car that maximized interior space without compromising on driving fun. Over the years, it became an icon, known for its agility, lightweight construction, and unmistakable look. Fast forward to 2025, and the Austin Mini is making a comeback, staying true to its roots while integrating modern technology, sustainability, and cutting-edge performance. So, what exactly does this new version bring to the table? Let's find out. Exterior design. The 2025 Austin Mini stays faithful to its iconic silhouette, but with a refreshed, contemporary look. The round headlights, compact proportions, and that classic grille are still there, but now with sleeker LED lighting and a more aerodynamic profile. One of the most noticeable changes is the front fascia. The grille is now more minimalist, with a blend of retro and futuristic elements. The designers have done a fantastic job keeping the heritage intact while making it feel like a car from the future. The body lines are sharper, giving the Mini a more dynamic stance. From the side, the short overhangs remain, keeping that classic go-kart feel alive. The wheels have been pushed out to the corners, giving the car a wide and stable stance. Speaking of wheels, the 2025 Mini comes with a range of alloy wheel designs, with sizes ranging from 15 to 18 inches, depending on the trim. At the rear, the taillights now feature a more distinct LED signature, inspired by the Union Jack designer, a nice nod to the car's British heritage. The overall look is clean, modern, and unmistakably Mini. Interior technology. Step inside, and the 2025 Austin Mini greets you with a cabin that perfectly blends retro charm with state-of-the-art technology. The round central display remains a focal point, but now it's a high-definition touchscreen with an intuitive user interface. This system controls everything from navigation to climate settings, and yes, it still retains the signature toggle switches below for that classic Mini feel. The dashboard is minimalist but premium, featuring high-quality materials like soft-touch plastics, brushed aluminium accents, and even an option for sustainable fabric upholstery. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel provides crisp and customizable information, ensuring you always have the essential data at a glance. Another big improvement is the space. Thanks to clever packaging, the 2025 Mini offers more legroom and cargo space than its predecessors. The seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, and if you go for the higher trims, you even get premium leather with contrast stitching. Connectivity is another area where the new Mini shines. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in AI assistant make interacting with the car seamless. Plus, the Mini now features over-the-air software updates, ensuring that the car gets better over time. Performance driving experience. Now, let's talk about what really matters: how this car drives. The 2025 Austin Mini is available in both internal combustion and electric versions, catering to a wide range of drivers. The base model features a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, producing around 135 horsepower, making it perfect for city driving. If you want a bit more punch, there's also a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, pushing out around 190 horsepower, ideal for those who crave performance without sacrificing efficiency. For the F enthusiasts, Mini has introduced a fully electric variant with a 54 kWh battery pack, offering a range of around 250 miles on a single charge. The instant torque from the electric motor gives it a zippy, responsive feel perfect for urban driving. Fast charging capabilities mean you can go from 10 to 80% charge in under 30 minutes, making range anxiety a thing of the past. As for handling, the 2025 Mini stays true to its go-kart DNA. The steering is precise, the chassis is well balanced, and the suspension is tuned for a perfect mix of comfort and sportiness. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or taking on twisty back roads, this car is an absolute joy to drive. Safety features. Safety is another area where the new Mini shines. The 2025 model comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. A 360-degree camera makes parking in tight spaces effortless, and the semi-autonomous driving mode is perfect for long highway journeys. With these features, Mini ensures that you get both fun and peace of mind on the road. Customization special editions. One of the best things about owning a Mini is the level of personalization available. The 2025 Mini offers a wide range of color options, from classic British racing green to bold, modern shades. You can also choose from different roof colors, mirror caps, and racing stripes to make your Mini truly unique. Mini is also known for its special editions, and for 2025, they've introduced a few exciting variants. One of them is the John Cooper Works Edition, which features sportier styling, a tuned suspension, and an extra boost in performance. If you're a fan of racing heritage, this is the one to go for. Pricing availability. Now, let's talk pricing. The base model of the 2025 Austin Mini starts at around $27,000, making it an affordable option for those looking for a stylish, efficient city car. The higher trims and performance models can go up to $40,000. While the fully electric version starts at around $35,000. Mini has already started taking orders, and deliveries are expected to begin in the second half of the year. If you're considering getting one, now is the perfect time to check with your local dealer. Final thoughts. So, is the 2025 Austin Mini worth it? Absolutely. It stays true to its heritage while embracing the future with cutting-edge technology, improved efficiency, and an even more engaging driving experience. Whether you're looking for a fun daily driver or a stylish urban F, the new Mini offers something for everyone. What do you think about the 2025 Austin Mini? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to my channel and share. Thanks.